45 minutes till the market closes. Difficult trading today in the markets. One of those gap continuations and chop and even potentially reverse here at the end of the day. Some strategies are doing well. Cobra 3 stopped out. Big gap up. You know, when you have this big gap up and then this pullback and then a rally, it's hard to do in this kind of volatility. The high 28.25 to low is 27.98, so 27 points. So you need you know, over $1,000 stop loss, maybe $1,500 stop loss on some of these strategies, or you're going to get lots of consecutive losers, and then before you get the big winners. So this is the third loss in a row on Cobra 3. You see how well it performs. It has these types of big winners, and then these small loss there, a big winner here, small loss, small loss, small loss. So 3 in a row. So getting ready for a potentially another winner based on consecutive winners and losers. Same thing with the Nasdaq, even more. This is a really nice win, 43.75, and since then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 $600 losers in a row. So you see on this one a little bit bigger stop would have worked, and so probably a bigger stop on this one would have had it around break even. So it got stopped out near the low that move. And so some of these, you know, with the volatility this high, you're going to have a higher percentage of losers. And so that's where we are right now. You're also going to have the bigger winners. When you finally get one, you can get you have the potential to capture a bigger, larger home run move. So that's where we are. Adaptive moving average down minus 1,500. Lots of choppiness. It's currently long, so we'll see how the day finishes. If it's going to rally or sell off. Gap continuation is the big winner right now. 60-minute breakout. Let's go over that first. Minus 1,025. Once again, stop just a little bit too tight for this type of market. But gap continuation in Q. So this one gets out at 3:30 Eastern Standard Time. Got this breakout as it moved to new highs. 86.1825. And see, it's up 885. It's been higher. It's been up over $1,400 on the trade, and so we'll see what happens. This trade will last another 11 minutes, so hopefully it won't reverse in the next 11 minutes, and it'll be able to lock in that profit. All strategy access too, good trades so far on that, plus 525 on AT 2019, and plus 2,400 on AT 2020 NQ. 60-minute breakout, which is not in the portfolio, is plus 2,000 on the day. This is not in the portfolio, but it's minus 625 on the day. Tick count trend NQ, minus 625 on the day. So overall, good trades in this workspace. Keeping in mind that these two strategies have been removed from the portfolio. All strategy access 3. We had some nice long trades in gold and some losing short trades. SR counter trend 2, plus 475. Cobra Euro 4, minus 537.50. Asia Gold 4 short, minus 525. Soybean swing closed out a profitable short trade up here. All strategy access 4, SR counter trend 3, captured its profit target. So the long trades in gold did well, plus 475, plus 475, and then minus 625 on Cobra Gold, losing on that short. Big ranges still in gold, massive ranges. The high to low was 40 points. That's a small day for gold these days, but still a big range. All strategy access 5, no trades. So this market just looks like a bull flag, a bull trap to me. Just feels that way, you know. Just these huge gap ups and run ups. 50% retracement off the highs to lows. What that means, if you use a Fibonacci retracement tool, and you go from the high to the low, where is the 50%? It's right here. On the Nasdaq, it's above 61.8. It's at the Fibonacci number 61.8. It's above that. I don't know, some people will see if it closes above that, 85.94. I don't know how relevant that number actually is in this type of market, but we'll see. You know, I would not be surprised to see this market roll over. It does not feel like it ought to be trading the way it's trading, and would not be surprised to see it test these lows no matter from what point, even if the market makes new highs. Wouldn't be surprised to see the market come back and test these lows. We're in a period of time where we're rewriting history on volatility and moves, and the market is doing things it's never done before. So that is where I'm at. That is what I see in the markets today as I watch. Not sold on the fact that we're just automatically going to go back up to highs because of a lot of Fed stimulus. There's a lot of uncertainties. We don't have a lot of clarity as to when the economy will start again and what are all the unintended consequences of closing down the economy for this long. And so should be interesting. And these are the trades on the day for April the 14th, 2020.